magsipag, sipagan natin at saka manalo po. Pagkag-ensayo po, training ng ayos, ganda yung sa marami pong mga experience po sa pag nakalaban ka sa ibang bansa po. Maraming salamat po, Sir Manny, sa opportunity na pinalaban kami dito sa Dubai Blue. Thank you po. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa manager namin, si Ma'am Kukoy Ilorde, at sa mga sumusuporta po sa aming team, Ilorde Fight Team. Maraming salamat po sa inyo po. Talagang magandang laban na mga maganda talaga po. Pero sa akin, bro, hindi kami abot ang round talaga. Kasi malakas din eh. Hindi rin talaga, di ba? Mas marami ang laban kanya eh. Yung first round talaga, mga 1, 2 yan at 2, 3, talagang hindi lang makupiyansa kasi nandun ang lakas niya. Focus sa training, tapos yung katawan ba, huwag abusuhin.
Kumana mo
Pangarap ka sa buong maging champion, talaga pagsisapan mo.
Kumana mo nagdaan ng interview
Salamat
mo?
ko sa pamilya ko na bilagdag sila
Ni.
sa white
Kana ba?
Ulit pa, pagkuhan na pag...
pamilya ko sa
Aga to, pag di Paskuan,
Pailagan pamilya.
sila to to, pagkuhan, pag interview.
Pamilya sa Teatro ng Cebu po.
Buti yan, kita na. Hello. Baru mo. Hindi juga abot yung birha mo. Iya, terusan ba? Lurjo kay gol.
Asa usa man ni ka camera di eh.
Oh, kedua mo kamera.
Sa ka camera man ba na kuha. Replay dito yan.
Bisa. Rato lang ini. Oh, tao. Nausap mo ng kulor lang ay gusto mong kuhan. Mahal kasi mo.
Pagwan?
Tigray pound ba? Ay, tira dari sa kuhan. Mga kuhan na yan.
Oh.
Tira na. Hindi, ay, trabaho sa mga. Ang 9 ang 9.
Babog na kayo. Kato sa lipong naman to, kato pagkatrasa.
Bahas sa Japan eh. Ano okay. Gusto ko gagnaw. Akupi. Ay mi. Basong natin video basong ay.
Ayman.
Round number 9. Now underway. Thank you, Doc.
Suka mo pa lang.
Here's Manigos. Ken, charging in. And if you notice, Takpuno, hindi siya sumusuntok dito. He's just covering up. Fighting defensively. Here's Manigos, pouring it on.
Without any reply from Tagpuno. And here we go. Manigos,
Gilabhan.
pouring it on.
Igo, pasok ko yun.
It could be the beginning of the end.
Alo.
Tagpuno is not fighting back.
Yak, masarap. Mas tumbak pa.
And there he
Ala.
goes. He's down. Just a matter of time. Tagpuno is down. And I don't think he's getting up.
Ang
What an upset. And now they're calling in. They're calling in the medics. He's still down. Not a good sign. They're bringing out the oxygen.
what's ngayon? What's out ngayon?
And, you know, we saw it as early as back in the 4th round. Nag-iba. Yung galaw ni
Taga-Japan, no?
Tagpuno
Taga-Japan.
rito,
Abangin
might
mo
have
Japan.
hurt his left hand.
Ako,
He was trying to fight with just one
Ayun.
arm.
tantay ng ipon ako.
And Manigos
Abis ito.
taking advantage of the situation. Dr. Clark Fernandez and Dr. Sean Bello now administering
Dugay
First
ka na.
aid
Dugay
to
na interview na.
Tagpuno. Hope he's okay. But he went down hard. He's still flat on his back. Meron naman
Bata
tayong
naman sila,
ambulansya
pero-
dito. In waiting. So Manigos improves his record to 30 wins, 12 losses and 2 draws with 20 knockouts. So 20 knockouts and 30 wins. Okay, now he's on a stretcher. That's a good thing.
Dinipiyong na oy.
He's being brought over.
Unconscious na gid.
But accidents do happen. And there's a reason why the Games and Amusements Board has standby ringside
Nindot
physicians
ang ko na lang atong sunod nga kwan.
to take care of fighters who are
highlights.
stricken. That's Dr. Sean Bello. Puri po natin ang mga highlights ng laban that just ended. Manigos versus Tagpuno. Right from the very first round. Bakbakan na kaagad. Pagtumpo. Bumagsak si Manigos in round number 3. But in round number 4, action started to turn around. At parang napansin natin si Tagpuno. Halos hindi na bumibitaw ang kanyang kaliwa. We suspect that he might have heard it at some exchange. Round number 6, Tagpuno was taking the brunt of the punishment here. At round number 7, ganun din. Manigos was tiring out badly, but
Rugi na
it was
sila.
Tagpuno who was on the receiving end as he was hardly fighting. He was trying to fight defensively, but in round number 9, ito po nangyari. He was completely out of it, and Manigos just
Dapat na na-interview ta. Or interview ta.
and bumagsak na po si Tagpuno and losing by a knockout in the 9th round. Manigos po, ang bagong PBF Super Featherweight Champion.
Tagpuno versus Manigos. Tuwi pag man sa duwa. Kung anong ko mas miyaw sa mas magsesay. Kani kiyo. Mayo tayo na dito magsay.